Hello and welcome to the day ahead. It's Friday, September the 30th. I'm Andrew Gagan. Well, global markets fell overnight on concerns of weaker growth and turmoil in debt markets. Wall Street giving back much of the previous session gains as Federal Reserve members reiterated the need to maintain an aggressive policy to fight inflation. The S&P 500 touching lows last seen in November 2020 and is down more than 8% in September, with utilities and consumer discretionary stocks leading the declines overnight. The Nasdaq tumbled 2.8% to its lowest level for the year, and tech heavyweights Apple and Nvidia down more than 4%. Meta fell also after reports that it's frozen hiring and warned employees of more downsizing to come. CarMax plummeted 25% after the used car retailer missed expectations for second quarter results. And car makers General Motors and Ford also fell. Well, Hurricane Ian, which has devastated large parts of Florida, has impacted travel stocks, with airlines and cruise ship operators having to cancel services. American Airlines, United and Delta down more than 2%, or in fact more than 3%, and Norwegian and Carnival also falling heavily. And in Germany, Porsche shares debuted, ending largely flat after Volkswagen listed the sports car brand at a valuation of 75 billion euros. Well, the US economy contracted at 0.6% annualised rate in the June quarter, confirmation that it is in a technical recession. And the number of Americans filing new claims for unemployment benefits fell to a 5-month low last week as the labour market remains resilient. As for the way forward, San Francisco Fed Chief Mary Daly has said the central bank needs to slow the economy and take the heat out of the jobs market to tackle inflation, saying navigating the economy toward a more sustainable path necessitates higher interest rates and a downshift in the pace of economic activity and the labour market. Fellow Fed member Loretta Mester has said she doesn't see distress in US financial markets that would alter the central bank's restrictive monetary policy. And James Bullard saying rates will probably need to be higher for longer than markets previously anticipated. US Treasuries resumed their sell-off overnight, with the yield on the 10-year rising to 3.79 and the 2-year up 10 points to 4.2%. The US dollar has continued to ease a little against major currencies. The Aussie currently at 64.7 US cents. And the Australian share market is set to open lower this morning, with ASX Futures currently off around 0.4%. Oil prices have fallen on the prospect of the global slowdown weighing on demand. Brent crude down close to 1%. Iron ore futures were flat, while base metal prices were mostly higher, with aluminium up close to 4%. And the gold futures price slipped marginally. And the crypto market was a little weaker, Bitcoin remaining below 20,000 US dollars. And that is the day ahead. We'll see you again on Monday.